You can now run an entire business without showing your face, hiring anyone, or spending more than you'd spend on lunch. 7 tools. Each one replaces a person you'd normally have to pay, and by the end, you'll have the whole machine. The seventh one is the piece almost everyone forgets. It's what makes the business run while you sleep. Stick around for that. Tool 1 is your strategist. You tell it what you sell and who you sell to, and it hands you offers, names, and a content plan. This is the co-founder you don't have to give equity to. Tool 2 reads everything out loud in one consistent human voice. Ads, videos, voicemails, narrated without a microphone. Pick one voice, and that becomes your brand's sound. Tool 3 makes your logo, your thumbnails, your product images from a sentence. The stuff that used to mean a designer in a week of waiting, now it's 30 seconds. Tool 4 builds the actual website. You describe the business, it builds the pages, the buttons, the checkout. No code, no developer, just a description and a domain. Tool 5 turns one idea into a week of posts. Same message, reshaped for every platform. This is the social media manager that never sleeps and never asks for a raise. Tool 6 cuts your long videos into short clips automatically and adds the captions for you. One video in, 10 posts out. That's the math that grows a brand. And Tool 7, the one that ties it all together. It connects every tool you just saw so they talk to each other and run on a schedule without you touching anything. New order comes in, the email sends itself. New video uploads, the clips post themselves. That's the difference between a side project and a business that runs while you sleep. So that's the full stack. A brain, a voice, a designer, a storefront, a marketer, an editor, and the automation that runs it all. I put every tool with the free tiers and links in one list in the description. No email, no catch. Next, I'm breaking down the exact automation in Tool 7, step by step. Follow so you don't miss it.